All right, guys, so now on the crude oil, we had a world of opportunity here on crude, right? Take a look at the crude chart here now for me. And what do we see here on the crude oil? Well, first of all, on the crude, we can see we have these trend lines, right? These trend lines will act as support and resistance, right? We call this a wedge pattern. And you can see on crude here, we finished up this choppy location last week, and we dropped below. Now, what am I going to do, guys, when I make new lows, right? I'll sell a retracement. I'll buy the lows, right? I'll sell the highs. And what happened was, this is where I got myself in trouble this morning. We had a wave pattern short. And this wave pattern short turned out to be a brilliant trade. But I made it a whole lot more difficult on myself than I needed to. And so what ended up happening was, guys, we sold, right? We sold the drop on the crude. But this is where we had that wave pattern short, right? That wave pattern short. And we had conflicting patterns. So we had a one pattern saying go long here. The major pattern said go short. We get down to the lows. We then buy those lows and brought it right back up. Here's what I missed. All right. What you're going to see is this, guys. You're going to see I missed a very important piece of this puzzle. I missed that there was a price channel right here. That was the big mistake that I made today. You'll notice high here, right? Draw a trend line. I did not draw that trend line properly. Now, if you see that trend line there now, right, this wave pattern short becomes a whole lot easier now, right, to feel confident taking. So the big problem I had this morning, this is where I got myself in trouble today, was I did not draw my trend lines properly. I did not complete my morning prep. So remember where those trend lines are. Now we have a price channel to worry about. And here's where of course, we drew our price channel afterwards, right, after the fact, but I did not have these pink, right, trend lines drawn in, right? I did not have this price channel identified. So here's what happened. Here's my 34 range chart. This is the exact same time frame we do all of our morning prep on. We see price going sideways up at the highs, right? I'm going to break out off those, right? Break new lows. I'm not going to sell the lows. I'm going to sell a retracement. So here's your wave pattern short. Now, looking at that wave pattern short, how on earth did we take a loss on this wave pattern short?